Looking for a healthy, tasty, and protein-packed snack for your kids? Try this green protein patties, rich in fiber, plant protein, and perfect for little tummies. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon wood-pressed coconut oil, 1/4 cup cooked green peas, 1/4 cup oats, 1/4 cup peanut paneer cubes, 2 tablespoon besan powder, 2 slices ginger, 8 to 9 peppercorns, 1 cup spinach, 5 tablespoon chopped coriander, pink salt to taste. Boil 1 cup chopped spinach in water for 2 minutes. Drain and cool it down. Dry roast 1/4 cup oats till golden and crisp. Now, in a mixer jar, add boiled spinach, 1/4 cup cooked green peas, roasted oats, 8 to 9 peppercorns, 2 slices of ginger, pink salt, grind into a coarse paste. Now transfer to a bowl. Add 5 tablespoon chopped coriander, 2 tablespoon besan powder, 1/4 cup peanut paneer. Mix well. Now shape into small round patties. Roast on tawa. Heat 1 tablespoon wood pressed coconut oil and roast the patties on both sides until golden. A perfect green snack for your little ones. These green protein patties are loaded with spinach, green peas, oats, and homemade vegan paneer. Ideal for boosting immunity, gut health, and energy. Easy to make and super delicious. Great for kids' lunchboxes or evening snacks. Serve hot with homemade mint dip or chutney. These patties are not only kid approved but also gut friendly and protein rich. Like, share and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Comment below if your kids loved it.